Just to give you an idea of the wind gusts, you can see the bird feeder just a swinging away. Probably about 45-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Normally you can see trees across the field in the back. Hard to detect now. Normally you can see across the street to the field. It's to the point where you can barely see our tree out front. Usually you can see all the pine trees across the way. Big snowdrift that's coming up in the yard. It's out the side window. Hardly see the forest through the trees. What you think, Minnie? What you think of all this snow and blowing wind? You like it? You just gonna sleep? Huh, baby? You just gonna sleep? Huh? What about you, boys? You don't like it either? Hmm? I'll make you guys tired? Does it make you tired?